Gluten-free recipes are designed for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, focusing on excluding gluten found in wheat, barley, and rye. Popular gluten-free options include baked goods using alternative flours like almond, coconut, or rice, and pasta made from corn or chickpeas. Naturally gluten-free ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are also key. The article stresses reading labels for hidden gluten and offers tips for successful gluten-free baking, ensuring taste and texture are maintained.